My name is Aarti Chawla. I'm a therapist and a coach. The reason I'm making this video today, it's a short video podcast, and the reason I'm making it today is it's festival season going on, and a lot of people may not be with their partners, with their loved ones. Maybe they're away from the family, their relationships are not working, they are in a relationship, still they're alone. I wanted to create this video because I was there at one point in time in my life, and I totally understand what you all must be going through. And that is the reason I'm here today to share your, sorrow and loneliness. I understand it's a very difficult situation because everybody is posting pictures, everybody is posting content on social media. You must be watching their content, you must be looking at what they're doing, Diwali parties, Karwa Chauth. It's been a really dark time maybe for you because of non-availability of love in life, because of a lot of sadness in life. And the first and foremost thing I would like to say is my heart goes out to you all. I'm making this from my heart. This is not a scripted video. This is not something that I've taken it down from ChatGPT or something. This is from my heart to your heart, and I totally understand what you must be going through. My heart goes out to you, and I totally understand where you are. And all I want to tell you all is just protect yourself at this time, protect your boundaries. Don't hang out with people who trigger you. At times what happens is people don't do things intentionally, but sometimes they don't include you, they exclude you from a gathering or a party. Or even if they include you, sometimes you may be feeling that you are all alone and there is nobody with you. Maybe you're out of country and you're watching it from some other country. Please let me know which country are you watching it from, or if you're watching it within India, let me know where you are located, which city are you located. So the significance of this festival time and Diwali is return of a lot of hope. Ramji came and there was a lot of hope for the people of that city, of the country, that their savior has come, and now abhi khushiyan hi khushiyan hai life mein. So I want to tell you also, please don't lose hope. And this is the darkest time, and this is the time for you to heal. Maybe क्या होता है ना, जब आप उस cocoon में होते हैं, when you are in that shell, you're in the cocoon, it's darkest. When a seed is in the mud, in the soil, it is the darkest, but that is when the transformation is happening. A cocoon, a caterpillar becomes a butterfly, and a seed sprouts out to a plant and becomes a tree, a big tree, right? So when it is the darkest time, always remember, it's the time for you to heal, it's a time for you to work on yourself, it's a time for you to transform and keep this hope in your heart and work on yourself, do the inner work. Connect with me if you want to have a one-on-one chat with me, and also connect with me if you want to join my programs. One of my signature program is called Design Your Life, where I help you design your life, overcome all these obstacles, and manifest love, happiness and joy in your life, right? So just keep yourself surrounded with people who love you and who you love. For the sake of society, for the sake of Instagram and social media, do not indulge in things that triggered you. Do not go with people who trigger you. Protect yourself, heal yourself, take care of yourself, connect with like-minded people, and just keep the hopes high. Love and peace, Aarti.